Lemon Giggles.
Hey guys, look what I found at Target in the Christmas section. They're Shopkins Christmas ornaments and they are too cute. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get these open, guys. These are super adorable. I've got these up here, I think I have 10, and I'm gonna open those, and if I get all of them, I think you can get 14. And if I get them all, then I'm just going to stop there. But I do have some extras in case I'm still missing some. So let's get started. Alright, I know these are very carefully balanced. So when I open them, or when I pull them off, hopefully they don't all come crashing down. But look how cute these are. And the balls are so glittery and sparkly. Super adorable. Alright, let's get it open. Alright, it comes with 2 blind bags inside. And here is our collector guide. It's a little bitty collector guide, but here are all the ones you can get. And it looks like there's 12 on that side and 12 on this side. Oh, so there's 24. Cute. All right, let's start with the first one. Oh, what is that? Let's see if I can find it on the collector guide. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. It's the holly cupcake ornament. Too cute. All right, I'm going to set it right there and see who we have next. Ah, it's a Christmas sweater. And it looks like we have, I think it's a Belinda sweater right there. How cute is that with the pink bow right on front? Super cute. All right, guys, I am going to check off Belinda's sweater and holly cupcake ornament. Now our next ornament. Open! I'm so excited! Oh, it looks like the ornaments are 2 different colors. You can get pink and purple. I'm going to set those aside so they don't roll away. And let's see who we've got. Oh, that looks delicious. It looks like we have Merry Mint Sundae. Little candy canes. Oh, and there's a peppermint. I didn't even see that. How cute. All right, next one. Ooh, this is shimmery. It's got a pearl finish. It looks like this is Mary Macaron. And it's got a little bow on top. Too cute. All right, let's check off Merry Mint Sundae and Mary Macaron. All right, our next ornament. Who are we gonna get? We don't want any duplicates. No duplicates. My goodness, it's a little bag. Who is this? Who is this? This is Giggles' gift bag. Look at the gold chain and the pink bow. How cute is that? And our next one. Oh, we have another sweater. This one is Rudolph's sweater. Look, it's got little antlers. Gold antlers too. That's super adorable. I'm gonna move these over so I can set the two sweaters together. And I am gonna check off Giggles gift bag and Rudolph sweater. Next, ornament. Okay, our first one. Oh, it feels like a duplicate. Oh, it is, but it isn't. This is a pink Merry Mint Sundae. Too cute. Alright, so I'm going to move these guys over and set these next to each other. Okay, who's our next one? Oh, it's a Chrissy Carol dress. How beautiful. Look at the star. And the little gold beads. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love this dress. Super cute. Okay, so I'm going to check off a Chrissy Carol dress. And who was the other one? Oh, Merry Mint Sundae. Alright, our next ornament. I didn't cut that one good enough. There we go. Oh, we have another sweater. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. This sweater is another Belinda sweater. Cute. Silver bells on the front. Alright, I will set that right here. Alright, now for our next one. Oh, it looks like we have another dress. Chrissy Carol dress, but this one is white, pink, and blue. So pretty. These two dresses are beautiful. They're ready for the Christmas ball. Alright, so let's check them off. Chrissy Carol dress and Belinda sweater. And our next ornament. These would be super cute hanging on the Christmas tree. How fun would that be to wake up on Christmas morning and have a bunch of Shopkins hanging on your Christmas tree? Okay, who is our first one? Oh, we've got the, I think this is the last sweater. This is another, it's Belinda's sweater. Too cute. Okay, we'll put that one there. And we'll move the Rudolph sweater. Ah, hurry. Put the Rudolph sweater right there. All right, and our next one. Oh, it's a Miss Elto. Cute Christmas boot. Look, it's got a furry top. Well, it looks furry anyway. It's got the texture to be furry and a gold buckle. Miss Elto's. We'll put Miss Elto's right up there. And check off Miss Elto. And Belinda sweater. All right, for our next ornament, who are we gonna get? Our first one. Oh, we got a duplicate. We got another blue Belinda sweater with the pink bow, so we'll set it right there. And no more duplicates, no more. Oh, it's not a duplicate. Is it? Yes, it is. It's Holly Cupcake Ornament, and it's the same one that we already have. So we'll set it right there. In our next ornament, no more duplicates. All right, we're going to get new ones this time. Oh, and we did. We got another Giggles gift bag. This one is blue, pink, and silver. Too cute. Okay, I'm running out of room. We'll move these dresses up here and set it right there. And our next one. Oh, it's a new one. It's a Donatella tree. How cute. Look at the donuts. It's a tree made out of donuts. Too super cute. Set it up there. And check off a Donatella tree. And the other one that we got was the blue Giggles gift bag. There it is. All right, our next ornament. Okay. Hope it's one we don't have. Is it? Oh, it is. It's Mistletoes in pink. Look at the green bow. Super, super cute. And the little Shopkins face. And our next one. We have another Donatella tree. This one's... Ah! I lost it. It ran away. This one's white and pink, and it has a gold star on top. The other one had a silver star. How pretty is that? Okay, so let's check off the pink mistletoe and the pink and white Donatella tree. We're getting close, guys. We have one more up here on the table. I am going to have to get into my other ones because I only had 10 ornaments up there and there's 24 to collect, so I already know that I didn't have enough. Oh, we don't have this one. This is another Rudolph sweater. This one is pink and blue. Super, super cute. Okay, we can put it right there next to the other Rudolph sweater. Oh, and we have a different holly cupcake ornament. Okay, I'm gonna have to rearrange. I'm gonna move these sweaters up here. Ah! And set it right there. So we need to check off this Rudolph sweater. And we need to check off the other holly cupcake ornament. I'd actually checked off the wrong one before, but now it's right. Okay, so I am still missing a Merry Mint Sundae, a Giggles gift bag, and then on this side, another mistletoes, and another Rudolph sweater, and a Chrissy Carol dress. So here is another ornament. I sure hope I get a full set. Okay, who do we have in here? Oh, it is another Donatella tree. So we've got a duplicate there. And another pink mistletoe. So we'll set that duplicate back there and pull out our next ornament. I'm getting worried. I really want a full set. Okay, no duplicate. Oh no, it's another duplicate Giggles gift bag in pink and blue. And another Donatella tree. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna run out of ornaments. Alright, I'm gonna think positive. I'm gonna get a full set. No more duplicates. Okay. Yay! I got a Merry Mint Sundae that I was missing. This one is red and green with the super adorable red candy canes. Yay! So I can check that one off the list. And the other Chrissy Carol dress. I don't have this one. Yay! Alright, let's move these guys over. How pretty are those dresses? Okay, so check off the red and green Chrissy Carol dress. And what was the other one? Oh, the Merry Mint Sundae. There it is. Okay, our next ornament. Oh, awesome! It is another mistletoe, and it's one we don't have. This one's red and green and white. Super, super cute. So I'm gonna set it right there. And our next one. Oh, and we've got the Giggles gift bag that we're missing. How pretty, red and green. So I'll move these guys over this way. Perfect. We can check off the red and green Giggles gift bag. And the red and green mistletoes. Alright guys, I am missing the red and green Rudolph sweater and a Mary Macaron in pink. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm too short. Okay, think positive. Oh, we have a duplicate of Merry Mint Sundae. And, oh, a duplicate Mary Macaron. We need the other one. All right, our next ornament. Oh, we have another Chrissy Carol dress, a duplicate. All right, guys, I really want to finish checking this list off. Ah! We have another Merry Mint Sundae in red and green. Okay, our next ornament. Yay! We got the Mary Macaron that we're missing. Awesome. Let me see if I can move things around here. There we go. Okay, our next one. Did I get it? I did get it. I got the Rudolph sweater in red and green. That makes a full set, guys. All right, I am gonna have to do some moving around to fit these. All right, I am gonna check off the red and green Rudolph sweater and our pink Mary Macaron. And look, we've got a full set. Yay! And I had one ornament to spare. I'm gonna hang that one on the Christmas tree. All right, guys, check out all of these awesome Christmas Shopkins. They are so super adorable. Let me know in the comments what you think of these Christmas Shopkins, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss one of my videos. I will see you in the next video.